Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, 8 plus Vscode and the Python and Jupyter extensions. Create a project folder, then make a virtual environment so packages stay isolated. Once done, activate the environment and install ipykernel. This registers a kernel with Vscode. Make sure to reload the window if extensions prompt it. These steps prepare your editor to detect kernels and provide language features, so you can run notebooks reliably and avoid path issues later. You now create a notebook through the command palette or by adding a ipimp file. Select the kernel tied to your virtual environment so imports resolve. Vscode shows the kernel in the top right. Next, organize cells, mark down for notes, code for experiments, and use run above / below to execute selectively. Make sure formatter and linter are configured so code stays consistent. This improves readability and prevents runtime surprises when sharing notebooks or rerunning analyses later. You finish by running cells interactively with Shift plus Enter, and when you need a clean state, restart the kernel to remove lingering variables. Once satisfied, export the notebook to HTML or PDF for sharing. Vscode's Jupyter commands handle that. If something goes wrong, kernel won't start or packages import fails. Inspect the selected kernel, ensure the virtual environment's Python path matches, and reinstall ipykernel. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues. Correct kernel to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.